Hello, Charity.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Welcome to Miss Malawi. Relax. Feel free.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so firstly, could you just introduce yourself?
All right, my name is Charity Kachitsa. I'm actually studying at Lilongwe Technical College. I'm studying human resource management.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 19.
19.
Yeah.
Okay, Charity. So you may know that Miss Malawi has a theme, and this year's theme is managing population in Malawi.
Yeah.
You may know that Malawi is facing overpopulation, and it's quite a big problem. It's a big challenge. So what I want to know is, in your own view, what do you think are the contributing factors to overpopulation in Malawi?
Obviously, one of the best and most helpful thing that can be done is to empower.
Sorry, I don't mean to cut you, but what do you think are the contributing factors to this problem? What is contributing to overpopulation?
What is causing?
What is causing? Yes.
Should be lack of education among Malawians
Is there anything else?
and some early marriages. Yeah, some teenage pregnancies, things like that, are like contributing.
Okay. Londina, have anything to add?
Charity. Uh, why would you want? Why would you want to become a beauty queen, Miss Malawi in particular?
I've always loved to inspire others. So me being Miss Malawi, I believe I would inspire a lot of ladies, a lot of people, not just ladies, a lot of people. So inspiring them is the first reason I'm here. I love to inspire others. And secondly, being a role model, I hope I would contribute in some of these things that I reading to high population in Malawi. I would work hand in hand with everyone and to achieve this common goal that we're all fighting for.
So, share with us some of your how you have inspired others, because you said you love to inspire others. How have you done that in the past?
I've done that in the past in a way that not everyone could see it, but I believe people around me could see it. Inspiring others does not just mean holding a certain position. It also means doing the right things at the right time with the right people. I've always been around. I've always been around right people, good companies, people who would also inspire me. So I got inspiration from others, and people also got inspired.
Thank you. Thank you.